Version history. Another option you have in the Google realm is to be able to look back at changes over time of a document. And you might need to do that to stay organized, or if you're collaborating on documents and you want to revert back to or even look at the way something was in the past, you can get there by going File, Version History. This used to be called Revision History, but now they've renamed it Version History. And you can name the current version, which we'll talk about in a second, or see version history. We're going to see the version history so you can look at what I'm talking about, the changes over time. So this document was originally created on the bottom here, September 13th at 1:15 p.m. And if I click on that, I see that's when the document was blank. And then after I had worked on the document for a little bit, it looks like about 5 minutes, I had rules and regulations, and these came from the government website. I can name this version if I want. Instead of just looking at the date, I'm going to type in original rules, because these are the ones that actually come from the regulation website. And then for the next, looks like 49 minutes, I was adding student versions or questions on the document so kids could understand better what these rules actually mean. And so I'm going to rename that one as well to student version. Now I can go back and return this document. If I didn't want the student version on there, those questions that I added, I can come back in the upper left and hit restore this version, and it will erase everything I've added after that. And then I don't have the student questions anymore. I obviously want them there, so I'm going to stay here. I can also turn on off named versions. I can show more detail, more changes. So there's a lot of options. Something you need to know that's there in case you need it.